now we continue our journey going towards the harbor, or should I say Oceanus, bro. Oceanus.
Oh, bro. So the ice cream of McD is melting some
Yeah, as you can see, there's the McD over there again, like always.
Right is some vendors around town. So what we need to go to is at the front. As you can see, there's Jim Batten. You know Jim Batten?
right here, as you can see, this is the Oceanus Mall. Bro, melintas bro.
So as you can see over there, we have
Bro, mana matahari bro?
And we don't see any sun. I think we're too late for this. But we have 6 days or 5 days more. And then we'll see you guys again for the sunset again. And yeah, what for Kimiro Cannon, bro. Ciao.
So guys, this is Oceanus, guys. Not that fancy. No, like shops over here, like Oakley, everything like that. No, may commission, waiting, may. Di sini bro. Hehehe. Senyum bro, senyum. Right here we are in Imago. Oh, sini pa niya orang selalu menari ni. Tahu tak sudah.
Ako nun yung parang bro.
We continue upstairs lagi bro. So far the first floor is the branded shops bro, and the bawah is the food court. So we go up a bit again, like you know, and trying like rupanya aku pernah kemari bro, Imago rupanya tu bro. They are going to that popular place.
Popular bro, very big bro. The shop is very popular bro.
Yeah bro, shopping bro.
Sorry bro, thank you for waiting bro. So I have time it. It's actually 1 hour. So right now I'm getting out around
44 minutes.
54 minutes bro.
54 minutes bro.
I break my own record bro.
Very good, very good.
1 hour 30 minutes bro. So it's a good shop. I bought I think 5 books. Thank you bro. So all in all good to see you again, and then see you again next time. And gonna eat lapar bro. Ciao.
Alright.
Arriving at Nando. Abah here, special dish chicken. You know chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah, kanyang now we sambung our expedition. Oh my god, what's with that big fan? Oh, everywhere on that big fan. Alright, now we're going for a night walk towards to our apartment. So we're gonna walk for 15 minutes. I don't know. From Imago to Api Center. We're going then like Nam Thang, like we're waiting for this a good time to cross the road, but it look like no time for us to cross the road like now. Rain. Bro. My god,
We can use
drunk boy man. We finally reached here in Api Center, so we'll be right back. Oh, here you go again, McDonald's. Oh my god, they have a good ice cream over here, sir.
I don't know, it's a very productive night walk tonight. So I think this is the last night walk.
Okay, so alright, so thank you for watching. Yeah. Goodbye.